After a morning walk, a group of doctors were standing at a roadside restaurant enjoying a cup of tea. They then saw a man limping towards them. One doctor, seeing the man limp, said the man was probably suffering from arthritis in his left knee. The second immediately said, it must be plantar fasciitis. The third doctor, staring at the man limp, said, I think it's just an ankle sprain. The fourth doctor then said, see, that man cannot lift his knee. He looks to have some lower motor neuron problem. But to me, he seems to suffer from hemiplegia Caesar's gait, said the fifth doctor. But before the sixth one could share his diagnosis, the man reached the group and asked, is there a cobbler nearby who can repair my slipper? Friends, while this joke provides an insight on false assumption, it also highlights the awful truth that most people will judge you within the first 7 seconds of seeing you, and their opinion will most likely never change. So making a good first impression is incredibly important because you only get one shot at it. They say, when you meet a man, you judge him by his clothes. When you leave, you judge him by his heart. Now, studies have long demonstrated that people make judgment based on their first impression of you within the first 7 seconds of interaction. Now, newer research shows that this time frame may be shrinking along with our attention spans to a mere 4 or 5 seconds. Andrew Grant, an organizational psychologist, once said, you never get a second chance to make a first impression. This means that whether you are on the job interview or at a business meeting or at a social event, you have just few seconds to make a good first impression and establish yourself as a successful person you strive to be. Now, we have all heard the phrase, you can't judge a book by its cover. Yet book covers and product packaging designers around the world have created an industry betting that people do judge and purchase products based on how they look. Do you know that every year 95% of new products fail? The reason is simple. Most customers don't have the time or energy to weigh the advantages and disadvantages of the products in their shopping carts, so they use a shortcut to make their decision. That shortcut is the product's packaging. And the same holds true with packaging ourselves to impress and succeed. Now, Thomas Edison once said, opportunity is missed by most people because it was dressed in overalls and looks like work. This happens every day. People with great potential are overlooked for growth opportunities because they don't look, smell, or sound like $1 million. You must learn how to market yourself as positive and a successful person to get ahead in your career. Remember, clothing has an effect on both the wearer and the observer. So choose your personal presentation with care. There is science behind the term dress for success, and countless studies say so. Now, studies have shown that wearing nice clothes in the office can affect the way people perceive you. Now, a 2015 study by the Journal of Social, Psychological and Personal Science performed 5 small experiments to test how well-dressed participants thought differently than their casually dressed peers. Now, after concluding all the 5 experiments, researchers noted that those wearing formal clothes felt powerful and were better able to think creatively and see the bigger picture. Now, science says that the clothes we wear affect our behavior, our attitudes, our personality, our mood, confidence, and even the way we interact with others. This is what is called as enclothed cognition. Enclothed cognition gives scientific proof to the idea that you should dress not how you feel, but how you want to feel. Secondly, if you take the time, effort, and pride into dressing sharp, you will undoubtedly radiate an image of self-respect and self-worth. People will see you and think positively of you as it's clear you respect yourself. people will see you as worthy of their time and company. Now, the old advice to dress for the job you want, not for the job you have, may have its roots in more than simply how others perceive you. Many studies show that the clothes you wear can affect your mental and physical performance. What we wear could affect how we cope days when we are depressed, anxious and stressed. Research says that the quickest little fix for a bad day is to wear brightly colored clothes. Cheerful colors work as a mini pick-me-up and thus boosting our mood and energy. On the other hand, we associate deep and dark colors with low energy, being tired and more somber mood. Amazingly, even hidden clothes like our socks and underwears can exert a powerful influence on our self-perception and confidence level. Wearing something we perceive as appealing can make us feel more self-assured, more powerful and more confident. Your self-perception has a great impact on how others perceive you. When we feel good on the outside, we are more likely to feel good on the inside, which boosts our attitude and self-confidence levels, leading us to try our best, which in turn brings better results. Now, clinical psychologist Dr. Jennifer Baumgartner, in a book titled "You Are What You Wear, What Your Clothes Reveal About You," says that clothing you put on your back is an incredibly accurate indicator of what you think of yourself and your life. Friends, it is important to remember that you don't need to spend a fortune to express yourself. Style isn't expensive, fashion is. Your style is about dressing appropriately, not fashionably, so you don't have to be out of your comfort zone to make a good first impression. Style isn't about buying designer clothes. You can be stylish on any budget. Rachel Zoe, a distinguished designer and stylist, says, "Style is a way to say who you are without having to speak." The truth is, you don't need to spend $1 million to look like $1 million. Academy Award winner Edith Head says, "You can have anything you want in life if you dress for it." There's more truth in this statement than you may think. Start today by dressing like the person you want to be, and the success you desire will follow.